Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Usmania University BCom Semester 4 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject Business Statistics 200% pass theory important questions for the examination April 2025. So students, watch the video with full concentration because whatever questions I'm sharing in this video, that questions are 100% important for your examination. Now unit 1, that is regression. First short questions. Define regression analysis, very important. Explain the importance of regression analysis. Explain briefly about regression coefficient, very important. Explain the properties of regression coefficient, very important. What do you mean by linear and non-linear regression? This is also very important for long also. Explain the differences between correlation and regression, 100% important question. So students, these are the short important questions from unit 1, subject business statistics 2. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subject income tax. For that I already uploaded a video. So visit there, see the video and start your preparation. Now unit 1, regression long questions. First is define regression analysis. Explain its importance, variables, limitations and types of regressions analysis. Very important question. Second, define regression and what are the differences between regression and correlation. Very important. What do you mean by lines of regression? Explain the equations of line regression. 100% important questions. What do you mean by linear and non-linear regression? Distinguish between the linear and non-linear regression. Important question. So question number 1 and question number 3 and 4 are very important. So students, start your preparation from these questions because these questions are very important for your examination. Now unit 2, index number, short questions first. Define index number, explain its importance, very important. Or simply he will ask you define index number, or separately he can ask with you explain its importance. Second, limitations of index number. Third, advantages of index number. Limitations is important. Types of index number is also very important. Consumer price index, what is splicing, 100% important. Question number 6 is very important. So these are the important short questions from unit 2, index number. Now unit 2, index number, long questions. First, define index number, explain its importance, features, advantages, limitations and types of index number. Very important. And if you get theory from this unit 2, definitely you will get this question. Define index number, explain its importance, features, advantages, limitations and types of index number. What are consumer price index number? Explain the steps in their construction and list out their uses. And simply consumer index price index number is important for short also. Third, test of consistency. First is time reversal test and factor reversal test. This is also very important. And this time reversal test and factor reversal test maybe you will get in short bits also as a theory question. So these are the long important questions from unit 2. Unit 2 is index number. Students, in this video I am sharing only the theory important questions for the subject business statistics 2. Only theory questions, short questions as well as long questions I am sharing in this video, not the problematic part. Now unit 3, time series. First, short questions. What is time series? Very important. What are the components of time series? This question is 100% important. Utility of time series analysis. This question is also very important. Question number 2 and question number 3 is 100% important. Write about seasonal and cyclical fluctuations. Very important. Moving averages is also important. Explain about the method of least square. This question is also very important, but question number 2 and question number 3 is 100% important. Components of time series, very important. Now unit 3, time series, long questions. First, define time series. Explain the various components of time series. This question is important for long also. If you get the theory, definitely you will get this question only. Define time series, explain various components of time series. And second question, what is moving averages? Average method. Discuss the methods of moving averages in measuring trend. What are its merits and limitations? Very important. List out the various methods of measuring trend components of time series. This question is also very important. First question and third question is very important. Only moving averages maybe you will get in short bit also. So these are the important questions from unit 3 under long theory important questions. Now unit 4, probability. First, short questions. Define probability, very important. Mutually exclusive events, 100% important question. Non mutually exclusive events, this is also very important. Bayes theorem is also very important. Now unit 4, probability, long questions. First, define probability, explain its importance and various concepts involved in probability, very important question. And what is classical theory of probability? Explain its importance and limitation. This question is important. Or only classical theory of probability maybe you will get in short bit also. Now unit 5, theoretical distribution. First, short questions. Define binomial distribution, discrete probability distribution. Binomial distribution is 100% important for short. Define Poisson distribution. This is also very important. Central limit theorem, very important. Define normal distribution and explain its properties. Question number 5 is important not only for short, this question is important for long also. Now unit 5, theoretical distribution, long questions. First, define binomial distribution, explain its importance, applications and assumption, 100% important question. Then define Poisson distribution, explain its importance, applications, assumption, this is also very important. And define normal distribution, explain its properties, importance and application, very important. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications will come to you directly. Thanks for watching the video.